uh, JavaScript. What is LWC? How LWC is playing a crucial role in Salesforce ecosystem as it is with the UI. Okay, this all we have seen. Okay, now let's see like what is the like basic things that are needed to learn JavaScript. Okay. Mhm. Let me launch this. Yeah. So this was the student app which we developed. Yes or no? Yes. So again, we had Lightning. We have opened the Lightning Studio, which is to practice the about practice this LWC things on the Salesforce. Okay. Can you see any coloring, any styling here? No, right? We talked about HTML, we talked about JavaScript in the last class. But have we talked about CSS? No. Alright, that means CSS means styling. Okay. Little bit of styling if you want to apply. Then we need to use the CSS. Okay.
CSS.
CSS. Okay. Now which component we developed? It was Hello World example. If you see HTML, we have something. JavaScript, we have something. CSS, we do not have anything yet. Okay. Let me change this color to red. Still, you don't see anything because we need to do a lot of things to reflect the CSS. Okay, nothing is happening. Let me change it again. Uh, I'm not talking about complete CSS. Just I'm trying to explain you the like concept of styling. Okay. So instead of writing here, we have some inbuilt HTML things like lightning button. We have something called as lightning card that is called a component. Okay, that component will add a box. Okay, wait, let me write it. Card, card. 'Save', Control R. Can you see here? We got everything in one like a box kind of thing, like a card. Can you see? Okay. Now, now, now after doing that one, let me go to the CSS. CSS. Now, 1 second. One second. 1 second. What are these things? See, actually, what are these things?
Paragraph.
Is a paragraph. Okay. Now, this is called paragraph element. Okay. This is called as paragraph element. In the HTML, we say elements. This is lightning card, component, lightning button, element or component because it's a lightning. It's a big thing. But generally, this is an element. Okay. What is this element? A complete, a one line. If you see from opening tag, these are called tags. These are called tags. From opening tag to the closing tag, we say this is a element. Okay, these are called as tag,
Element.
opening tag and closing tag. Whatever the things you write here, that comes the body of that element. Okay, that comes the data or attributes, whatever. These are called attributes. So we'll talk about attributes later. But this is called an element. So in CSS, what we'll do is we style the element. We style the element. Which element I want to style? Paragraph element.
Paragraph.
Paragraph element, I want to do color. Okay, color. What color I want? I want blue color. Okay. Then next, I want like let's say let's have only blue color first. Then font size, let's say large. Okay. Let me save this. Now, what is the meaning of this CSS? Don't try to understand complete CSS now itself only. Just we are trying to understand the relationship between these three things: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In the yesterday class, we have seen, I mean, the day before yesterday class, we have seen the relationship between the JavaScript and the HTML. Okay, what is the role played by them in web development, web page, or website development, or LWC component development in Salesforce? Now we are talking about the CSS, okay, which is a like used to style. What I am styling here? There are paragraph elements. There are how many paragraph elements? Three paragraph elements in our what to say, in our one component.
HTML.
In our HTML, we have three elements. The three elements basically by default they are coming as a black, but I want them now as a blue color. Okay, that was the requirement. Let me check it. So I have saved it. Now let's go to the UI. Let me reload it. Let me save it and let me go back. Can you see here? We got little larger size as well as we got it in a blue color. This is called styling. Does the CSS playing a role to change the text? No, na. Hello world, everything is written in the static. Whatever text you see, whatever button you see, you are observing that in the you're observing that in the HTML. Okay. When
Yeah,
something
even background color also changes when we change the paragraph. Like it's white color now.
this white
Previously
color,
it will
yeah,
be
this white
also
color
blue.
is because of this lightning card.
Oh, okay.
Okay. If I remove this
Considered card.
lightning tag, again you will not get in. This is lightning card. So
Oh,
generally the
okay.
most used LWC component, the base component, let's we say, is lightning card because it looks a little good. Okay. If you see card, lightning card, lightning card, lightning card. Okay. Clear? So
Yeah.
yeah. So this is how we write the CSS. This is how we write the HTML. This is how we write the JavaScript. And this is how they are useful in a website development. Now this is useful, right? See, I can change the colors. If I say I want to change the color of anything again, I just go to the CSS and I will change the color. Okay, font size. Then I'll make it a blue to orange. Okay, if I save it, that's it. So paragraph element. Okay, uh, mute
Now
yourself,
we can change
everyone.
the back. Now we can change the background color
Yeah,
in paragraph.
sorry. Yeah, yeah,
Can
we
we
can
change
do
the
that. Yeah,
background
yeah, we
color?
can do that also. We can do that also. Yeah. Okay. Now, is this clear? Till now, is this clear? Like
Yeah,
the
clear.
basic about the CSS. Okay. We can change this color. We can change the button color. We can do anything. Okay. We have again more easiest ways also. Not only CSS, we have more standard ways in Salesforce to color to style our website. Okay. See here. If you see here, if I see here, there are buttons, different buttons. This button you see complete blue. Okay. Okay. So this like this we have different buttons, different stylings. We have list items. So we have multiple things yet to see. but just try to understand the relationship between these three. Clear now? Hmm. Okay. Styling is for CSS. Controlling what happens when someone does particular operation on the UI. So this is the action I'm performing. So I'm getting the result. This is because of HTML or CSS or JavaScript.
JavaScript.
JavaScript, because when the button is clicked, okay, when the button is clicked, on click, I'm calling one function. This is called function in the JavaScript. That function, that method is performing some action, some logic. Okay, that logic is, it is changing the message variable. We say variable. These all fundamentals we are going to start from Monday. From Monday, I'll schedule the class for JavaScript separately. So that will be weekly 5 days of classes. Don't miss them. Okay. Till this 2 to 3 weeks, it was just a starting day. So a weekly 3 days, that's okay. But from the next week, there will be continuous classes, weekly 5 days. Okay. On JavaScript, we'll be having a weekly 5 days of classes. In the meanwhile, we'll be having classes for Salesforce specifically. Okay. This is also Salesforce only, but this is coding, purely for coding. And we have many admin topics to learn, so we'll do that as well. So coming back to the topic, so this is changing the data in the message variable of this class. Okay, we say class. Okay, this class or this program, this method. Okay, is this clear for everyone? These three things.
Yeah, clear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. Now, now let us learn more, little more about this this HTML. Okay, we have something called as H1 tags. You know, right? H1, H1. If you see, we have H1 tags. Okay, heading 1, H2, H3, H4, H2, sorry, H1, H, H2, H3, H4. 2, 3, 4. Let me save it. We go back and reload. Oh, my bad. Let me click on edit page. Hmm. Hmm. Now, if you see, actually, these tags, okay, H1, H2, H3, H4 tags are tags to change the font of the headings. Okay, the font. Okay, but in HTML, in LWC, this will not work. Okay, basically, this will not work because this LWC is controlled by this lightning kernel. I mean, this LWC is this HTML. Basically, in HTML, we use these tags. We use these tags to like highlight the headings. Okay, how to say you? Just a minute. I'll show you the another example. Just a minute. I'll write one HTML program. In the general also, you can write the HTML program. Basic HTML program. Let's H1 tags. See, if we write this way, generally you get, okay, you get like this, okay. Heading 1 will be like a big size, font size, okay, font size. Heading 2, again font size, they will be different. Heading 4, font size will be different. This is the HTML. But if you do the same thing in the LWC of Salesforce, this will not, because this CSS file, which is a like a specifically I mean created by the Salesforce ecosystem for this component, will override the font size. To again control the font size, what we have to write? H1, okay, font size large, okay. Or you can control the another in another way also, H1 font size 45 pixels, okay. Like this we can write. So irrespective of the H1, H2, H3 tags, we say tags and elements, this is in general HTML, this is how it will function. But in Salesforce, we can't do that way. Okay. See, everything will come in a same size. So for that, what I have written, we controlled it in which one? We controlled it in CSS. CSS. Okay. We controlled it in CSS, the font size. Okay. But this is like not a general behavior of the HTML. In Salesforce, it's happening. So what is our helpful thing? We can control it in the like what we say in CSS. Okay. See here, heading 2 will be 42 pixels. So H1 is larger, but larger in the sense this is how you can. This is this is the maximum size for larger. If I write larger, now I can say 75 pixels. Let me save it. Let me reload. Got it? Okay. This is how you are going to control the things. Okay. Now, I think for everyone, this is clear. Yes or no? Okay. Now, where to practice these things. So now I'm showing it in a LWC. So because I'm showing in a Lightning Builder, because we have the, easiest way to practice and deploy and watch it, the observation here. Okay. But, but now the thing is, we have to, you all have to practice, right? So for that, let me guide you for the installation things. Okay. Who can share the screen? Hmm? Who can share the screen?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay. Bhavani, Varshit, on Monday, you from you both, I need someone to share the screen. Okay. Varshit, you there?
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Huh. Open your playground. Okay. Go to setup. Everyone must watch. This is the first thing. You need a place to deploy your component. Means you need a web page first. On the web page, there is a page. See, if you saw in my, you have seen in my uh, playground, there is a student app. I created a page. On that page only, whatever the component I'm creating, I'm deploying it here and I'm watching the changes. Okay, first thing you need is that page. Okay, that page you can get it in a way. It means you can't get it. You have to create it in the quick find. In the quick find, Lightning App Builder. Just App Builder. Yeah, we got it. See, in the user interface section, you have a Lightning App Builder. Hmm. New. Okay, app page. Okay, app page.
Average.
Yeah, we'll see what are these things, but for our JavaScript learning, we don't need these all things. This will again we'll talk in the Salesforce related thing. Okay, now label it as a what we say, practice page. Make it soon. Practice. Okay. I need like this. If you want like this, so header and right side. Yeah, we'll go with this one. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Header and three regions.
Okay, this is style.
Yeah, this is style. Okay. We go with header and three regions.
Mm.
Done.
Yeah,
Okay. Just
header
save.
and three.
Just save it. Click on save. Don't add anything. Just click on save. Click on activation. Activate. See, active save means it will be saved, but activate means where we need to load this page. So this is a practice page. This page should be for, I mean, this page, everyone can see this page. Go to the top, like click on the Lightning Experience. Okay. Now click on sales. Click on sales. Okay. Now add app to this page. Click on this one. Means this page you are adding to this app. Okay. Hmm. Come down. Come down. See, in the second, go up, go up, go up, go up. In the second tab, go up, total up. See, this is your page. How your page will look in the sales app. Okay. Just click on save quickly.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on let's just again save it. Go back.
Save. Should I click on
Save
save?
and yeah, save it. Then you have this back option. Okay. This back option.
Here.
Yeah. Now
Now
go
I
to
can
the
see
sales.
directly
Yeah.
on.
Now go to the sales option. No, no. Click on sales. Sales. You have sales right here. Sales. Hmm. Mm-hmm. Click on more. You have practice. Drag it in the second place. Okay. You don't have any of the component you created it, right? You didn't create anything. So you don't will not have anything. Now open a new tab in a browser. We need to download an extension. The extension name is Lightning. Okay. Lightning. Type Lightning. Okay. Studio. Yeah. Type Lightning Studio. Yeah. Chrome extension. Click on that. Click on that. Add to Chrome. Everyone should follow the same thing because we practice in this only. The other JavaScript classes which you see in the YouTube or somewhere may be different because they are not teaching you to make you the Salesforce developer. I want you to become a Salesforce developer. This JavaScript or HTML, whatever you're learning is for Salesforce. Okay. If you want to switch to any other domain, React or something, you can switch it easily because you know the JavaScript, you know HTML. But uh, if you want to, I'm not going to teach you those things. I will be just teaching you the concepts that are needed for LWC, for Salesforce. Okay, not complete JavaScript. You are going to learn here. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Done. It will be saved. No problem. Just again go to your. Okay. Why this much slow?
Mhm.
27 MB. That's it. Hmm. Okay.
It's
It's okay.
adding to Chrome.
Yeah, yeah. It will be added to Chrome. Now, no. Just leave it. Just go to your app builder. I mean, go to your app builder just now. Yeah. Now, when you click on this extension symbol, here. Not there. I have rounded up, right? Yeah. That is the extension symbol. If you click on that, here you'll get the extension name. Okay, Lightning App Builder. Let it load.
Fine. Done.
Reload the page. You can only open.
Mm.
Okay. Got it right? Has been added to Chrome. Why it is still not showing? Yeah. When you can't open Lightning App Builder directly. When you open any playground, any Salesforce environment, then only you can open the Lightning App Builder. Okay. Still, it is taking time.
No, it's
It's loaded. Just click on the
yeah,
practice.
it's done.
Open that Lightning Studio. Okay. Now click on File. File. New component, Lightning Web Component. Okay. Give hello world. Exposed and included. Now click on these 3 pages. Yeah. Click on save. We have more 3 minutes left. Make it soon. Reload it. Control R. Yeah. You have got this. Click on this one. Hello world. Click on this hello world. Okay. In the HTML, write paragraph. HTML. Go to HTML. Write to paragraph element with hello. Paragraph element. You have to open like this, close like this. Then it is opening tag. In the closing tag, you will be having /. Okay. Make it soon. Yeah. Control S. So you will get an option to deploy, save and deploy. Yeah. Now go to the UI. Reload that. And you have the settings option again. Click on setting button. Then no setting button. You'll get the edit page option. Yeah. On the setting button, you get the edit page option. So you are going to edit this web page or the app page, whatever you developed. Now these are the standard components. Okay, we haven't created. Salesforce created. What is the thing which we created? You can see in the down custom component. Go down. Custom component we created. This is a custom means we developed our own part of the website. Yeah, paste it there. Click on save.
Yeah.
Save it. Go back. Reload it. You got it right?
Yeah.
So from Monday, whatever we are going to do, that we are going to do on such page only. Everyone need to have the practice page in your playground. Okay. On the playground only, I'm going to teach you the JavaScript, CSS, HTML, whatever we're going to see. We're going to see in this page only. So everyone need to have this one. Monday, Bhavani or Varshit needs to share their screen. Last 50 minutes, we need to practice. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
The concept is clear, right? Concept. This is just a setup. Whatever the last 10 minutes we have done is the basic setup. In the initial, the start of the class was about CSS. Just what is CSS? What is the role of CSS? In the LWC, how you will do that? What are the tags? What are elements we have seen? Okay. Yeah. So have a nice day. Let me share you these recordings tomorrow 9 a.m. Do practice. All the recordings will be available by tomorrow 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.